goodness of clustering. Okay. Now for goodness of clustering, there are two things or two matrices, that is within cluster scatter matrix and between cluster scatter matrix. Now how we can find out the goodness of clustering? So there are two metrics for this, that is within cluster scatter matrix and between cluster scatter matrix. So we will see it with the help of one of the example. Okay, 5 instances are given, 5 instances, and that 5 instances are, for example, it is university asked question 0, 3, 3, 3, 3, 0, then -2, -4, and -4, minus, which is divided into two clusters. Okay. So first of all, read the question carefully. 5 instances are given. 5 number of instances are given, and we have to divide it into. It is also given in the question. Case 1 is first 2 points in cluster 1 and remaining in cluster 2. Okay, then case 2. Case 2 is given as first 3 points in cluster 1 and remaining in cluster 2. Now the question is, we have to find out what we have to find out within cluster scatterness and this is the first question. Second question is between cluster scatterness. Third question is, after finding this scatterness, we have to comment on which cluster produces tighter cluster. Which cluster produces tighter cluster? Okay, this is the type of question, and it is asking one of the exam for the 12 marks. Now, how we can find out the within scatter cluster matrix and between cluster matrix? Okay, so first of all, first step is we have to find out the scatter matrix. Now, how we can find out the scatter matrix? So first of all, write down all the instances as it is. How we can write down all the instances as it is? So first instance is 0, 3. Second is 3, 3, 3, 0, -2, -4, -4, -2. So here now I will write the instances as it is 0, 3, then 3, 3, 3, 0, -2, -4, -4, -2. Now multiplied with the transpose of this. Transpose of this is rows are converted into columns. Columns are converted into rows. So 0, 3, 3, 3, 3, 0, -2, -4, -4, -2. Okay. Just I have written here the transpose of this matrix. Okay. Now, if we perform the multiplication of this, so what will be the size of matrix? So it is, the matrix size is this 2 by 5, and here for multiplication size is 5 by 2. So the resultant matrix size will be of 2 by 2. Okay. Now after multiplication, the result of multiplication is 38, 25, 25, 30. Okay. Now scatter, how we can find out the scattered value? So we have to add just these two diagonal elements, that is 38 plus 38, which is 76. So it is a scatter matrix for all the instances. Scatter matrix for all the instances. Now we will go into case 1. What is case 1? First 2 points in cluster 1 and remaining points in cluster 2. So we will check for case 1. So case 1 is have two clusters, cluster 1 with first 2 instances. Now what are the first 2 instances? What are the first 2 instances? First 2 instances are 0, 3 and 3, 3. These are the first 2 instances. Okay. Now these are the first 2 instances. Now first of all, we need to calculate the mean vector. हमें क्या calculate करना है? Mean vector. So how we can calculate mean vector? So it is m1, it is equal to 0 plus 3 divided by total number of instances. कितने instances है? 2. Okay. X value plus कर लिए. Now we have to add y values. Okay. Now what is this? It is 1.5 and 3 plus 3, 6 divided by 2. It is the 1.3, 1.53. Okay. Now for cluster 2. Case 1 का ही क्या है? Cluster 2. It has remaining 3 instances because total 5 instances are there. Okay. Now what are the remaining 3 instances? 3, 0, minus 2, minus 4 and minus 4, minus 2. Okay. Again we will calculate mean of this. So how we can calculate mean? So m2 is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 4 divided by 3. Okay. Then next 0 minus 4 minus 2 divided by 2. So it is equal to minus 3 minus 6. It is minus 3 divided by 3. It is minus 1 and it is minus 2. Okay. Now we have calculated mean for cluster 1 and cluster 2. हमने क्या किया है? Cluster 1 and cluster 2 का mean find out किया. Now next, what we have to find out within cluster matrix for or cluster scatter for cluster 1. Okay. So cluster 1 के values क्या है? What are the instances for cluster 1? Cluster 1 के instances क्या है? 0, 3, 3, 3. 0, 3, 3, 3. ठीक है. तो मैं वो instances यहाँ पे लिख लेती हूँ. 0, 3, 3, 3. ठीक है. Now हमें क्या करना है? Now we will subtract the mean vector from these values. That is 0 minus 0.5 and 1.5 and 3 minus 3. Here again 3 minus 1, 1.5 and 3 minus. Now again what we have to perform? Multiplication with what? Transpose of this. Transpose इसका क्या आएगा? 0, 3 and 3, 3. ठीक है. यहाँ पे भी हमें क्या करना है? From this also we will subtract the values. 3 minus 3. Then here 3 minus 3. Here it is 3 minus 1.5 and here it is 3 minus 3. Okay. Now if we solve this, then we'll get, after adding will get the value of scatter as by adding the diagonal elements. So diagonal elements are 4.5 and 0. So it is 4.5. Scatter for cluster 1 we got as 4.5. Cluster 1 का scatter हमें ये मिल गया. ठीक है. Now we will find out in similar way. We will find out within cluster scatter for cluster 2. Okay, cluster 2 के लिए scatter find out करना है. Now what are the values for cluster 2? Cluster 2 के instances कितने हैं? 3 number of instances are there. What are the values? 3, 0, then -2, -4 and -4, -2. ठीक है. Now इसमें से क्या माइनस करना है? मेन वेक्टर ऑफ cluster 2. cluster 2 का मेन वेक्टर क्या है? -1, -2. तो यहाँ पे आएगा -1, -2. यहाँ पे -1, -2, -1, -2. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट it is multiplied with what? Multiplied with transpose of this. So transpose of this is 3 minus -1, 0 minus -2. Then here -2 minus -1, -4 minus -2. Here it is -4 minus -1 and -2 minus -2. Okay. Now if we perform, if we add this, that is 4 minus 1, then here it is -3, 2, -2, 0, and again the same values for multiplication. 4, 2, -1, -2, -3, 0, transpose. Okay. Now if we perform the multiplication, so here it is 26, 10 and 10, 8. Okay. Now what is the scatter value? Who can tell the scatter value for this cluster 2? Within cluster scatter value is what? What we have to add? क्या ऐड करना है हमें? 26 and 8. Okay. So it is 26 plus 8. So it is nothing but 34. Okay. So scatter for cluster 2, it is 34. Okay. Now next we have to find out. Now this is we have to find out the within cluster scatter for each cluster, cluster 1 and cluster 2. Now we have to find out for case 1. This is for case 1. Okay. Now for case 2, for case 1 only we have to find out the between. What we have to find out? Between cluster scatterness. Now how we can find out between cluster scatterness? It is denoted by matrix B. Now what is the case? Case is first 2 instances in cluster 1 and remaining 3 instances in cluster 2. तो first 2 instances के लिए mean क्या आया था? 1.53 and remaining 3 instances के लिए mean है -1, -2. तो यही हमें क्या करना है? We will write it in a matrix form. First 2 instances के लिए mean है 1.53, 1.53. For remaining 3 instances, mean is -1, 2, -1, 2, -1, -2. Okay. Now again we will multiply it with the transpose of this, that is 1.53, 1.53. The next is -1, -2, -1, -2, -1, -2. Okay. Now if we perform the multiplication, so resultant matrix size is of 2 by 2. Resultant matrix size is 2 by 2, which is multiplication is 7.5, 15, 15 and 30. Okay. So scatterness for, or it is between scatterness, it is 37.5 for case 1. That means scatterness, between scatterness means what? It will find a scatterness between two clusters, okay. Now between scatterness for case 1 it is 37.5. now this all we have to perform for case 2. case 2 के लिए भी हमें क्या करना है? same we have to perform. Now what is case 2? case 2 is first 3 instances in cluster 1 and remaining 2 instances in cluster 2. Okay. Now क्या perform करना है हमें? We will find first of all mean of these two clusters. Mean find out करने के लिए what are the first 3 instances? First 3 instances क्या है? Okay, it is 0, 3, then 3, 3 and 3, 0. Okay, mean find out the mean. How we can find out the mean? 0 plus 3 divided by 3, then okay, then it is 3 plus 0 divided by 3, which is nothing but 2, 2. Then for 2 instances, what are the 2 instances? -2, -4 and -4, -2. Mean is M2 is -2 -4 divided by 2 and -4 -2 divided by 2. It is nothing but -3, -3. Now, scatter within scatter for cluster 1. It is equal to 0, -2, 3, -2, then 3, 3 and 3, 0. It's -2, -2, -2, -2. Okay, which is nothing but the value as -2, 1, 1, 1 and 1, -2. So multiply it with the transpose, that is -2, -1, -2. Here it is +1. Okay, 1, 1, 1, -2. And the matrix is 6, -3, 0, 6. So scattered is for cluster 1 for case 2. It is 12. Okay, scatter for cluster 1 of case 2, it is 12. Now, scatter for cluster 2. Okay, so it is -2, -4 and -4, -2. Okay, and mean is -3, -3. So here -2 minus -3, -4 minus -3, -4 minus -3 and -2 minus -3. Okay, now it is the matrix values are 1, -1, 1 minus 1, -1 and here +1. So if we multiply it with the transpose, -1, 1. Transpose is 1, -1, -1, 1. So the values are 2, -2, -2, 2. So scattered is by adding the diagonal elements 2 plus 2, it is 4. So scatter for cluster 2, it is 4. Now we have to calculate between cluster scatterness. So how we can find out? Again, we'll write down the mean for each and every instance. Okay, how we can write down? Mean is for 3 instances, mean is 2, 2. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And for instance 4 and 5, mean is -3, -3, -3, -3. Multiplied with transpose of this, that is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, then -3, -3, -3, -3. Okay. Now, if we multiply this, the resultant matrix is of size 2 by 2 and it is 30, 30, values are 30, 30, 30. So, betweenness scatter, cluster scatterness for plus case 2, it is 60. Okay. Now it is 60. Now, what is the question? What is the question? We have to find out within cluster scatterness, which we have find out for both the cases. Then between cluster scatterness, we have find out for both the cases. Then third question is comment on which cluster produces the tighter cluster. Okay. Now, how we can comment on this? So we will compare the values of betweenness scatter. Okay, between cluster scatterness. So between cluster scatterness for case 1, it is 37.5 and for case 2, it is 60. So which is distance, which is maximum? So for case 2, it is maximum. So we can comment that case 2 produces tighter cluster. Why case 2? Because the distance between two cluster is maximum in case of case 2. Okay, so that we can differentiate between the sample points which are new, and suppose this is a sample point and we have to decide on which cluster this sample point will go. So we can easily say that this sample point will go into this cluster 1 instead of cluster 2. Why? Because this distance is maximum. This distance is maximum. So that's why when this distance is maximum, at that time this type of case produces the tighter case. So if we compare the betweenness cluster scatterness for case 1 and case 2, so case 1 it is 37.5 and case 2 it is 60. So case 2 value is greater. So that's why case 2 produces the tighter cluster.